All right, so for this one, I have two equations, or I'm sorry, it's one equation, but two expressions, and they want to know the solution. Well, I already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to graph this in Desmos and see. Now, there's a technique that you could do iterations to find the approximation. I don't know. I just want to type it up. So I've got 1 over, so 1 divided by, what was it, x minus 1, that's the first equation. And that one is like a purplish color, so I'm going to change the color so it matches. No, I want to change the color. Come on. Where did I do that at? Right here? Oh, shoot. There used to be a way that you could change the color. I got to remember how to do it. Purple. There it is. All right, now I want to do the next one, which is going to be green. And that one is the absolute value of x minus 2. And again, I'm going to change the color to green, so it kind of matches. So this is the graph, all right? We're going to zoom in on it. And what I want to know is where it intersects. Boom. That's it. Let's take a screenshot. So now your calculator, this calculator will actually do exactly what they're asking us to do. Now you could also do this on the TI-84. So here's the thing though. It's 2.68, but notice that none of the answers are 2.68. So I gotta use a stupid calculator. So I'm gonna pull the calculator up, and I'm gonna have to type in there some numbers to see which one equals 2.618. So I'm gonna say 21 divided by 8. That's not it. 41 divided by 16. That's not it. 19 divided by, oops, clear that out. 19 divided by 8. Ooh, 43 divided by 16. All right, so now I got to figure which one is the closest to the 2.68. Now, if I were to round these, it could be the 41 sixteenths, right? Or it could be 43 sixteenths. Which one's closer to 2.6? I think this one's closer. So I'm going to go with B. Now what I could do, I could let my graphing calculator calculate it, but this iteration process, this is kind of tricky. They're having that 43 and 16th, but the answer is B.